How to create Spotify account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can create an account on Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started. So here you can either open up the application in your mobile device or simply open up spotify.com to any browser in your laptop. So here I'm just on my browser, and make sure that you have opened up spotify.com. So in order to create account, here towards the top right, there you have sign up button. You have to click on it. That's going to take you to different page, and here you get three different options where you can create account using your email address or simply create account with Google, Facebook or your Apple account. So for now we will just continue with our email address. So here type in your email address. Once done, tap on next. Now you have to create a strong password and make sure to follow all of this criteria right here. Once done, click on next. Now make sure to follow all of these prompts right here where you have to enter the name that will appear on your profile. Under that, select your date of birth and your gender. Once done, click on next. Make sure to accept all these terms and conditions by clicking on this tick mark and then create or click on sign up. After that, you have successfully created an account on Spotify. Now you can start listening to your favorite artist. So that's how you can create an account on Spotify, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.